I think these are my shoes, but if they're not my shoes, then they're shirts. So this is either a shirt or shoe unboxing. It's a brown one. It has striped tape, so that's kind of cool. But that's the most, interesting thing about this package. I'm not going to show you it because I'll flash my address. And then someone's going to do something worse than killing me and leave me alive. And I don't want to be alive. Yep, that's the ones. So, here's all the paperwork. I don't want to Here they are. There's my foot. I got a little bit bigger size because I didn't want them to be too small. Oh, they're not that big. They're fine. Okay, these are metallic, greenish, silvery-ish shoes that I got for Peridot. They 5 women's, so no, size 7 women's, so size 5 regular. Because they're women's shoes or whatever. So, they're so cute. Oh, I love them. I only took one out. What if there's only one shoe in here? They're the best part of them. They're high top, logo in the back. They're so cute. I love them. So gross compared to these. I think these might be a teeny tiny bit bigger. Or maybe they're the same. I don't know. These ones are broken in more, so these are slimmer, I think. They're so cute. You've already gathered my review from this. This is my unboxing. The Converse. CTAS metallic rubber, high metallic Glacier in Glacier. You know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.